On behalf of the British government, I'm delighted that the UK has been able to partner with the OECS in this important piece of work through the Foreign and Commonwealth Office Global Britain Fund. As the plan itself recognises, the OECS is best placed to lead on the development of a genuine, meaningful, regional approach to tackling climate change in the Eastern Caribbean. This project lays the foundation for the OECS Commission and its member states to begin to formulate a regional approach to achieving climate mitigation and adaptation goals. The report that has come out of this project, I believe, is important because after almost a year of consultation and discussions with people relevant to the field, the work concludes by highlighting proposals in two specific practical areas of importance for the Caribbean: mitigating the effects of transportation and adaptation to ensure clean water supply in the Eastern Caribbean. I wish to thank all the stakeholders who were involved in this project, namely Climate Analytics, the Carbon Trust, the OECS and the Caribbean Community Climate Change Centre, the 5 Cs. Tackling climate change is and will continue to be a top priority for the UK. At the recently concluded Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting, it formed one of the key areas of discussion under the sustainability theme. The UK is continuing its work in the area of climate change. In September this year, the UK will be hosting a zero emissions summit. And some of the work from the OECS report, which we are discussing this evening, will be talking about how to reduce emissions from transport. So this Zero Emissions Summit, the UK, I hope, will be a really good forum for stakeholders to get together, to realise that we don't always have to reinvent the wheel or reinvent the electric vehicle, but that we can share experiences in this area and that it is very important to do so. The UK is also working hard to accelerate the growth of green financing and increasing access to investment required to meet carbon reduction targets. Already there are 64 green bonds listed on the London Stock Exchange, which have raised more than $20 billion to this aim. All these things are also in line with the UK's Clean Growth Strategy, which was also launched last year. It's a commitment which is also shared by many international partners around the world, and I'm delighted this evening that we have friends here from the diplomatic community whose countries are also leaders in tackling climate change. Thank you very much.